To draw our cross-contour apple, we will use a range of drawing pencils, F, H, HB, and 4B. We will start with the harder or lighter graphite pencils F and H. First, we measure the proportion, height, and width of the apple. In this case, our apple is roughly 1 unit wide by 1 1/4 units tall. We will make this apple about 8 inches wide and 10 inches tall to fit comfortably on our 18 by 24 inch paper. This is our rectangular apple placement on our paper. It helps if we visualize placing the apple within an imaginary rectangle. This helps to locate the correct perspective and planar analysis of the apple. After drawing this vertical rectangle, we locate the bottom corners of the apple and we draw the rest of the planar proportions using only straight lines. In doing so, we discovered that the red delicious apple actually has 5 sides to it. We must correct and draw these planes in. We locate the stem area and draw the distinct planar shape and outer contours of the apple. The inner contours of the apple are also located and drawn in. Then we draw the cast shadow of the apple. We also locate the correct perspective of our tabletop. Using the light and dark areas to locate the major planar changes in structure, we begin to draw in the correct shape and curves of the apple. We must correctly wireframe our drawing using the planar analysis of the previous drawing and read the apple, thus mapping out the apple. Finally, using only the tip of the pencil, we begin a careful cross-hatching or shading of the apple, adhering to the strict cross-contour wireframe we have established. Using a light graphite pencil, H or HB, we slowly crosshatch our drawing, going from light to dark. We must draw our lines going in only the 2 directions of the wireframe. This structural, volumetric way of drawing creates a dramatic 3-dimensional rendering of the apple. Step by step, we proceed towards our finished result. Finally, using a softer, darker graphite pencil, B, to 2B to 4B, we finish our drawing being careful to leave the lighter highlights intact or erasing them in. Our darker graphite pencil drawing is only used in the darkest core shadow or cast shadow areas. We must not use these softer pencils in the lighter areas of our drawing. And here we have our finished cross-contour apple exercise with tabletop shadow. Here are examples of finished student still life drawings demonstrating the cross-contour process.